Battery power on and start inverter. Note: ensure that the power switch on the AC side is turned off. 2. Connect all cables, including power cable, communication cable, and earthing cable on the battery pack and inverter, and connect them reliably. 3. Connect the positive and negative cables between the battery group and the inverter reliably. The orange end is connected to the positive electrode. The black end is connected to the negative electrode. Connect communication cable, earthing cable correct between the battery group and the inverter. 4. Open the circuit breaker protection switch on the side of the high voltage box and push it to the on position. There are 3 kinds of work modes of our inverter. Work mode 1, self-use. Work mode 2, peak shift. Work mode 3, backup mode. I will give you some introduction of our 3 modes. Work mode 1, self-use. There are 2 situations here, with PV power or without PV power. 1. With PV power, priority load greater than battery, battery greater than grid. This mode applies the area that has low feed-in tariff and high energy price. The power generated from PV will be used to supply the local load firstly, then to charge the battery. The redundant power will export to the public grid. 2. Without PV power, when no PV supplied, battery will discharge for local load firstly, and the grid will supply power when the battery capacity is not enough. Work mode 2, peak shift, priority. Battery greater than load, load greater than grid. When charging, priority, load greater than battery, battery greater than grid when discharging. This mode applies the area that has electricity price between peak and valley. User can use off-peak electricity to charge the battery. The charging and discharging time can be set flexibly, and it also allows to choose whether charge from the grid or not. Work mode 3, backup mode. Priority, battery greater than load, load greater than grid. This mode applies the area that has frequent power outages, and this mode ensures the battery will have enough energy to supply when the grid is off. In this mode, battery will be charging firstly in the setting time. The battery will never be discharged when the grid is on, and it also allows to choose whether charge from the grid or not. When the grid is off, system will supply emergency power from PV or battery to supply home loads. Battery is necessary in this mode. After the installation is done, we need to put the battery on and start the inverter. This button is the first one we need to put it on. This button on the side of the box, we need to put the button on. Alright, and this is the button. Press it for 4 seconds. Alright, it's on. Then you wait for about 5 minutes to start the inverter.